Hello student, in this lecture I will discuss more about tangent line of a circle. That is if we have a circle like this and we consider two parametric form of the circle, and there is the alpha and beta, and if we draw a tangent line from this alpha beta and intersect at point P, okay, so what will be the coordinate of this intersection point? That is the point of intersection of the tangent line at point alpha and beta. That will be is nothing but the coordinate of P will be a, and consider the equation of circle is nothing but a square plus y square is equals to a square. Then the coordinate point of the intersection of this tangent line will be a cos alpha plus beta by 2 by cos alpha minus beta by 2 comma a sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, so the equation not equation, there is the coordinate of the intersection of the tangent line will be a cos alpha plus beta by 2 by cos alpha minus beta by 2 and a sin alpha plus beta by 2 by cos alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, now I will teach you what is the chord of contact. That is in this case, that is we have a point of intersection point P, and we draw two tangent line P alpha and P beta, and the center is alpha, not alpha beta, the center is C, I take it, and joint C alpha and C beta. Then the line joining alpha and beta, something like that. Then alpha beta line is called the chord of contact. Okay, so alpha beta line is called a chord of contact, and we can easily see that the alpha C and alpha beta C beta is equals to the radius of the circle, is we can take r, and the length of this tangent line P alpha and P beta will be both L, because the length of the two tangent line should be equal. And consider and joint P and C, and consider the whole angle is nothing but theta. Okay, and consider this alpha beta is not a name of the point, it is the parameter of this point. That is the alpha, the parameter of this point alpha. We can simply indicate that the 2 point, and we can name this point T1 and T2. Then the coordinate of this T1 will be a cos alpha 1, not alpha, there is the alpha, and a sin alpha, and the coordinate of T2 will be a cos beta and a sin beta. Okay, okay, so I will discuss something more about the equation of this chord of contact. Okay, the length of the chord of contact, the area formed by something, okay, like that. So first of the question is that if T1 and T2, this line joining alpha beta, not alpha beta here, we can more clearly call that T1 and T2. Okay, so T1 T2 is the chord of contact. Then what the equation of the chord of contact will be? That is what is the straight line of this. Okay, so the equation of the chord of contact is nothing but we can develop a new type of notation here, that is the T of x1 y1 is equals to 0. What is the t of x1 y1 is equals to 0? And t of something, okay, t of xy is nothing but a tangent line on the circle with respect to the point xy. That is, the if we have a circle like this, okay, and if we draw a tangent line from the point on the circle xy, then this line will be called t of xy, okay. And what is the t of x1 y1, and what is the x1 y1 actually here? And x1 y1, this is this coordinate, the point of intersection point, that is the, it is, we can call it x1 and y1, okay. So in spite of x1 y1 being in the on the circle, okay, so though this point p x1 y1 is not on the circle, we assume that if x1 and y1 is on the circle, then what will be the equation of tangent from this point x1 y1? That is simply that put the x1 y1, okay, in the xy, and that will from t of x1 y1 is equals to 0, okay. Then what is the t of x1 y1 is equals to 0? And there is another trick, that is the, if the equation of circle is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, then the equation of tangent at x1 y1 will be that x square is nothing but x into x. So take 1x and put x1 instead of x, okay, x1 instead of x, and then y into y1. And what is the 2gx? It is nothing but g into x plus x. So g take out and intact 1x and put x1 instead of x, and that for also y, f into y plus y1 plus c is equals to 0. That is the equation of tangent at x1 y1, and that is the equation of the chord at x1 y1, okay. So equation of the chord, that is the chord of contact t1 t2, will be the equation of the tangent considering that the point x1 and y1 lies on the circle, and then what will be the tangent of this circle at this point, okay. So now what is the length of this t1 t2, okay. So what I will tell you what is the length of the t1 t2. So we can write that mod of t1 t2, and that is nothing but 2 lr root of r square plus l square. That is the, what is the l? L is nothing but the length of this tangent, that is the, it may be pt1 or pt2, okay. R is the radius to the circle, and so the length of the chord of contact is nothing but 2 into lr divided by the root of l square plus r square, okay. Now we can find out what is the area of this triangle pt1 t2, that is the this pt1, this and this, that is the, what is the area of the triangle pt1 t2. So this is nothing but rl cube divided by the r square plus l square. So you know what is the r l mean here. So the area of the triangle is, the area of the triangle pt1 t2 is nothing but r into l cube divided by the r square plus l square. And now we will find what is the angle this, that is the angle made by the two tangent at this intersection point P, theta. We can name this as theta. So theta will be tan inverse 2 LR divided by L square minus R square. So the angle made by the two tangent line at the point of intersection will be tan inverse 2 LR divided by the L square minus R square. Okay, so now we can draw a circle with the 4 point P, T1, the center C and T2, something like that. Okay, then what will be the equation of this circle circumscribing the P, T1, C and T2, P? Okay, so we can write that equation of circle circumscribing the triangle PT1 T2 is, so this equation is nothing but, okay, so the considered the equation of circle is not, okay, not this reduced from or take in the general form, that is the x square. This circle is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Then this equation of circumscribing the P triangle PT1 T2 will be x minus x1 into x plus g plus y minus y1 into y plus f is equals to g. Okay, thank you.